Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related to tech. We simplify e-commerce one step at a time, and this time we're diving deep into the process of connecting Shopify with a Meta store or Facebook and Instagram shops. I will walk you through the entire step-by-step process. It's quick, beginner friendly, and essential for your store's growth, so let's get started. You might ask, why connect Facebook and Instagram shops to Shopify? Well, first things first, connecting your Facebook and Instagram shops to Shopify allows you to reach millions of potential customers where they already spend their time. Tagging products in posts and stories on Instagram, showcasing your products along directly on Facebook, syncing inventory and orders automatically with Shopify are some of the most essential benefits of this specific feature. To get started, you would have to set up these two accounts. First and foremost, you would have to have a Shopify seller store. To do this, if you have not already created an account, you can go ahead onto shopify.com and create your account. And next up, you would need to set up your Meta Business Suite. And to do this, you can search Meta Business Suite on your browser and be able to change your existing Instagram or Facebook account into a business account. Afterwards, you've done this, it's time to get started with the integration. The most essential and key step for this integration is going to be done on Shopify. So let's hop onto the Shopify dashboard and further navigate to the apps, which is located on the left bottom side of your screen. By clicking on apps, you would be able to see the apps that you can integrate to your Shopify store. And as you can see, we have a list of apps that we've already integrated. And to see more recommendations of apps, we can click on all recommended apps, and that will provide us with all options that we can use. To further access the Shopify App Store for a better experience, you can navigate to the bottom side of this dialog box and click on Shopify App Store, and that will trigger a new tab to be open for you, which would be the Shopify App Store. Here, you're going to search for Meta on the top side of your screen and click on Facebook and Instagram. And this is the app that we're going to install onto our Shopify. As you can see, it has a free version, so pricing is no worries when it comes to this app. So you can proceed by clicking install. And next up, you would need to confirm again by clicking install. All right. With this simple step, you have installed Facebook and Instagram app onto your Shopify. And for ease of use, as you can see, you can navigate onto the app itself and pin it on your navigation toolbar so that you would be able to review it whenever you open up your dashboard. On the right side of your dashboard, you can see a Get Started button, and by clicking on this, you'll be directed to the next step to get started with this integration process. Next up, you would have to click on Connect Account. A new browser is going to pop up, and you would need to confirm the account that you're going to connect it to. On the next page, you'll be requested to allow Facebook to share business assets with Shopify, which is going to be, of course, something that we need. So we're going to click on Allow. Next up, Shopify will provide you with two options. If you'd like to create a new business portfolio, you can click on Create New. However, if you have an existing portfolio, you can simply click on Connect and confirm by clicking Save. On the third step, you would need to create a meta pixel. You can select Create New and click Confirm. Last but not least, it's time to agree to the terms and conditions by ticking on the box that's provided and click on Submit for review. After a few minutes of processing, the integration will be finalized. You will see a notification of that. Next up is to create an ad on your Facebook or Instagram account. By clicking on Create Ad, you'll be directed to your Meta account. You can click on Go to Business Settings, and here you will access the dashboard for your Meta account. With this process, you can confirm that these two platforms have already been linked, and now you can run advertisements for your posts or for your products from Shopify on your Facebook or Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.